Welcome back to ES6 code series. In this, we are learning how to predict the output of the code. So this is the third video. Previously, I have shared two videos. This is the first video. This is the second video. If you haven't watched the video, you will find link in the description box. Let's understand this. Name is a variable. Constant keyword is used. Value is given infinite Learnopedia channel. So in console.log, message is printed. As you can see, backticks are used. These are called as template literals in ES6 code or ECMAScript. Message is welcome to inside this. Here we are printing the value of the variable or property. Dollar and curly braces are used. So these are the expression in ES6 code. Dollar sign in curly braces, name, exclamation mark, have a good day, close of backticks and semicolon. So as you can see, these are the backticks which are called as template literals, and this is the expression in ES6 code. So output will be welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. Have a good day. If you want to deeply learn about what is template literals or expressions, or what are arrow functions, let me know in the comments box below. Thank you for watching.